Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet flowers table runner designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet flowers table runner free pattern designs. You can see the beauty of these crochet flowers table runner easy designs ideas. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet table runners pattern. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. Beautiful and new ideas crochet flowers table runner pattern designs collection. Different color combination crochet flowers table runner pattern. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.